good, isn't it? There's water spraying out the front.
Let's wave goodbye to everyone and head off on our adventure. I wonder what we'll see today. Cameras at the ready, eyes peeled. Let's go! Now, where did I leave my camera?
Over the barrier. So there's a green light. That's new. That's awesome. Like I said, we're going through the laser ride, the queue ride. Look, over here, snakes. Mummy got wet, so
Please remain seated. You must remain in your own seat while the train is moving.
Yeah, it's taking pictures. Banana boxes.
Oh, yeah.
No, he's taking photos.
Oh, it sprays more water.
Uh-oh, we're gonna get wet, we're gonna get wet.
I think I got the shot. I got it. Oh, I dropped my camera. I was startled by all those lines. And look over there on the left. Can you get me a snap of that awesome motorbike? I'll let you share the trophy.
Oh, is that a motorbike?
Taking a single photo with each camera. You keep eyes on it. A bit of extra stick here, a bit there. There you go. That's almost back together. It seems like I'm not the only one having a spot of trouble. Those monkeys are causing mayhem. But they'll make great photos for us.
Oh, what's going on over here? Look.
Duck! Did you see one foot?
I fixed it. I fixed my camera. We still have so much to see and award-winning photos to take. That Click Brick trophy has my name on it, thanks to you.
Oh, sorry, what was smoke? Whoa! That's cool.
Well, I like that, Zach.
A picture of Mayor Fleck would surely be an award winner.
Where's the web? Maybe it's on the other side. Oh, there's the spot.
Or perhaps we could take a snap of our divers up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wave to the Coast Guards.
Lovely, aren't they, these figures? Is that wave to the people in the boat?
How cheeky! It looks like someone else is trying to take our photo. Well,
baby elephant.
an elephant. Oh, I totally forgot to take a photo. Okay, I must stay
Baby elephant's cute. Here now.
Focus. I made a photography joke. Get it? Do you see the haunted house over on the right? It looks like Lord Vampire's party guests are already arriving. We must be ready for any strange or creepy surprises.
Oh look, Pumpkin Man there.
Now that's something you don't see every day. And did I? Yes, I finally got a photo. Yay!
Wow. Zach,
Oh wow, look at
Venus
this.
flytrap.
It's a Venus flytrap.
What a great way to end our adventure. With all our incredible photos, the
amazing,
Click Brick
Zach.
trophy is surely ours. I can see it now. Our names in lights. Everyone wanting our autograph. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much. I really couldn't have done it without your help. And thank you for travelling today on the Legoland Express.
Please remain seated until the train has reached the station and come to a complete stop.
What is this?
I don't know.
Okay, that's the calming area, isn't it?
Yeah.